Hi guys, so it's me. And yeah, since I reached, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. 300, I think 42, yeah. Wait, yeah, 342 subscribers. Even if it's just my backup, I mean, oh my gosh. Yeah. So anyway, I decided to do a little contest. It's not a real contest. So I'll be explaining you now. So it's something like you need to comment down below your well, so let me just explain, it's a bit difficult. Alright, so the winner will get an intro, so an introduction for your videos. Yeah, so you need to tell me down below what you want to be written on the video. As example, Vix 155 Lena presents or something like that, yeah. Or only your name, it doesn't matter. Then you tell me which LPS you want in it. If you want, you can send me a picture you made from it. If not, then I'm looking for it by myself. So you just tell me the number. Please tell me the number of the LPS. Don't describe it because it's just too difficult. And then which colors you want. If you have any music that should be in the background. And yeah, if you want any extras like I don't know, many sparkles or normal introduction, so it doesn't matter. And yeah, you need to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, I'm going to look if you're my subscriber, and if you're not, you'll be disqualified. And yeah, if possibly, please also like this this video. And yeah, how the winner will be chosen? Well, I'm using a homepage where there come random numbers, and then I see, alright, like for example, the number 10 wins. And then I private message you, and I also will make a video about it. And yeah, then you win. So it's just a lot of people like my intros, so yeah, I just decided to do it. And yeah, so if you didn't understand, please read the description. Maybe I can explain it better there. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye guys, and thank you so much for all these subscribers.